Hi guys, nice to see you. This is dgsole.cn. Welcome to check our website. This is information about us. If any problem, contact. Now check the shoe. The Air Jordan 13 black kit. Can catch the materials. The suede on this part and on this webs. This is the 3M reflective. Also, you can catch the stitching. Nice quality, and in this part here you can get this plastic to protect the Jumpman here, the eyes. And I check the back. Another side. And check the front. Look at the top box. And also for this shoelace, you can catch it to the white part. This is also 3M reflective materials. And in this top tongue, you can catch the Jumpman logo. And let's turn to the inner part. Size tag, and also you can catch the insole. You can catch the logo here. And check the bottom. This is carbon fiber. You can catch it, and also the yellow with the black Jumpman logo, or the green. Now let's open the shoe and let me show the box. A silver box Jumpman, and also the size tag unboxed here. Now that's over. If you like it, please check our website dgsole.cn to get more detailed information about it. That's over. Thank you for listening. Bye.